Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to share Facebook custom audience in another ad account. As you can see, I'm into my ads manager and here we are in the audiences section, and here we have created some custom audiences. Now I want this custom audience to get shared to my another ad account so I can run ad campaign from that ad account on these custom audiences. So how we can share the custom audience to another ad account, we are going to learn in this video. As you can see, here is a custom audience. We will simply click on it, and here in the actions we can click on share button, right? But before sharing to another ad account, you need ad account ID of that particular ad account where you want to share your custom audience. So let me tell you that I just want to share the custom audience from this Ayushman Heart Care Center ad account to the Arzu Car Solution ad account, for example, right? I know both business do not relate, but I'm just telling you, right? As you can see, here is the ad account ID of this Arzu Car Solution, and if I come to the Ayushman Heart Care Center ad account, then here is the ad account ID of Ayushman Heart Care Center ad account. Now we just need the ad account ID of Arzu Car Solution in which we want to transfer or share this custom audience. We just need ad account ID of the targeted ad account, right? Here we will click on action and we'll click on share, and here it is asking me the ad account ID of that ad account where I want to share this custom audience. So I will simply enter this ad account ID and will select this, and here it is asking me the permission that I want to give to that particular ad account, whether I want to give permission of just targeting and running ad campaign using this custom audience and check out the insights of this custom audience, or I just want to give permission of running ad campaign only by using this custom audience. So whatever the permission you want to allow, you can just simply select it and then click on share, and this custom audience has been shared successfully. As you can see, pop-up have been displayed over here. Now let's jump into the targeted ad account, right? I am going to switch the ad account, right, and going to check whether that custom audience have been shared with this. Yeah, the custom audience have successfully got shared and is now displaying in this ad account audiences, right? So this is how you can share the custom audience to another ad account. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about custom audiences, how to create custom audiences using different sources, and how to run ad campaign using those custom audience, and what is the best strategy, how to use the custom audience for getting higher ROAS, then kindly check out our YouTube channel and check our Meta Ads playlist over there. And apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.